Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles, part 28. Today we will talk about Chinese New Year and about what you should serve at Chinese New Year and the meaning behind it. So for this, we invited Chef Stefu.
Okay, for the Chinese New Year, one of the very popular now is about Yishang. Yishang is actually meaning from the wording of the Yi, from the Chinese wording is meaning abundance. So people expected to have a lot of luck, a lot of prosperity. Then secondly, we're talking about the orange. Orange is always served during the Chinese New Year. So orange is they using because of the bright color, orange color like a gold. So they hope that next year or in the future they will have a lot of luck and a lot of prosperity. And the last one is all about red color during the Chinese New Year because red meaning is a prosperity for them. And people always using the red shirt, red blouse, and everything is always red during the Chinese New Year to have a prosperity during the next year.
Now you know what you need to serve for Chinese New Year and what's the meaning behind it. Thank you. So for Chinese New Year, we'll also have a special set menu at Amuse Gourmet. We'll do a Yisang French style. We have a pain-seared foie gras with the orange sauce. Of course, the flowers on the table will be all red. So you have all the good luck symbols for Chinese New Year at Amuse. Looking forward to see you.